beautiful strike on last frame. I hope we'll see a Barney Rubble. A baby split waiting at the deck. We're moving on, picking up pins 1, 3, and 6. Got pins 3 and 6. Great. Superb performance earlier. I wouldn't bet my life on a Barney Rubble. Good. The streak is on. A turkey or total meltdown. Tired. Leave is looming at the other end of the lane. Oh, that left something to be desired. Pins 5 and 9 waiting at the deck. That was less than perfect. Cleaning up, sixer, and the 7th pin. Got pin 6. So close. That was less than perfect. Trying to smack down the 10th pin. Spare. Oh, so close. A small mistake there. Pin 5 to convert. Clean up. Got pins 4, 7.